put apple cider vinegar on your face and watch what happens with toxins, eczema and age spots. Numerous scientific studies have provided evidence that apple cider vinegar effectively treats eczema as well as other skin conditions. Vinegar has numerous beneficial properties that are helpful in treating eczema, which is why we bring you how to use it efficiently to take full advantage of its benefits. Apple cider vinegar contains beta-carotene, which supports cell renewal, is a rich source of potassium, which treats allergies and regulates skin pH levels. Vinegar is high in numerous minerals and essential vitamins, such as iron, magnesium, sodium, pectin, potassium, sulfur, calcium and phosphorus, which control eczema and boost immunity. It is rich in lactic acid, acetic acid and malic acids, which have strong antifungal and antibacterial properties that reduce inflammation, itchiness, soothe dry skin and prevent skin infections. Apple cider vinegar is rich in fiber that is useful in removing the toxins that cause eczema, rejuvenates the skin and cleans it. Applying apple cider vinegar on the face can provide numerous benefits to the skin. However, keep in mind that you should never apply directly on the face, but dilute it with water in a ratio of 1:1. Before washing the face with this solution, apply it on the skin of your hand in order to test its effect, and make sure your skin is not sensitive to it. Apple cider vinegar fights stains, acne, pimples. Apple cider vinegar can provide the same effect as costly commercial acne creams. The formation of vinegar triggers the creation of malic acid. It has a strong antifungal, antibacterial and antiviral properties, so it prevents the formation of pimples and acne, and bacteria fights. You should rub a little on a cotton ball and place it directly on age spots, leave it on for half an hour and rinse the face with water. Repeat this twice a day for a month and a half, and you will be amazed.